All right, good morning, everyone. I'm waiting for my friend Cruz. You've seen his black TT. Follow a link here for another video of his car. Waiting for him because we're gonna get him on the lift, check some ABS sensors. We might be able to get to them underneath the car. So it's the first time that he's gonna get his car on the lift. So I'll be taking a video of that, and hopefully he'll arrive in a couple of minutes. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna lift the car, but first we need to do this. Get it ready. Ah, that's scary. I don't know, man. All right, we try to remove the sensor without removing the caliper. You think, Cruz, we don't have to remove the caliper?
I mean, from what I can see here, I don't think so, but I watched a couple of videos and seems like they removed the caliper. We'll see.
So what is the problem? You're getting an ABS indicator?
Yeah, and it's on and off, right? It's not constant. So sometimes just turn it off, sometimes on. And I cleaned it a few weeks ago and started doing better, but this week started coming back. So I ordered all four, and we're starting with the one in the rear to see if it's one of these ones.
All right, let's see. Hopefully we can remove it without doing any major surgery.
Let's see.
It might help with the flashlight.
I'm still here, you know.
Stuck. Whoa. Right, we can see here the ABS sensors. Look at the condition of the contacts in the original one. This is the left rear tire, and look at the new one, how it's supposed to be. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the first one. Hopefully that will solve the issue. Wow, Cruz, look at this. Wow. All right, Cruz, we did the back wheels, we're doing the front wheel. This one was easier, right? Yep.
Yeah, it was much easier. Again, we weren't no need to remove the calipers, so that's a plus.
That's great.
And this one, I mean, it was cleaner than the other one because I was able to clean it before. But yeah, let's see. One more to go.
It's something you can do, and you don't have to take it to the mechanic.
Yeah. No.
So how much was the cost of the four sensors?
I think it was like 30, 35 plus shipping. So it's actually pretty cheap.
That'll be dollars.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, that'll be dollars. Yeah.
Cool. All right. Let's keep going and do the last one, and then we'll test it.
Yeah.
right, Cruz. We're ready to test it. Hopefully, the indicator will be out.
Let's see.
Let's see. Where was it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be there. The ABS, so it's not there anymore.
It's not there.
So that's good.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna do some tests and go for it.
That sounds great. All right, let's take a video of the car getting out of the lift now. Cool. All right. Looks like it's another completed job.
See you, my friend.
See you later. All right.